Oh man, so it's raining a little harder than it was last time. I wish my camera was as waterproof as it fucking wish it was, but it ain't. Oh, it's raining hard. God, I can't get no good footage, so I'm gonna just try a little bit while I'm under the awning. Porch. What's the other word? Porch, awning. It ain't a fucking gazebo, it ain't a standalone island. Porch, awning. What's the other one they use? Porch, awning, deck. There we go. There's another one. Depends what part of your country you're from. That's what it is. But it is raining a little harder than it was earlier. So I can't like go out there. Oh, well, my thumb's getting fucked up, but it's what we got right now, man. It's beautiful. We got these trees. I'm gonna say fucking trees in the way. We got these trees in the way. And it's awesome. I like catching the swing outlines of the trees once in a while and the lightning. Pretty cool. I like it. Need one of them cool ass fucking industrial grade fucking phones that will capture fucking shit in any weather. Unless you get fucking struck by lightning first hand down to your bone. You know? That happens, well. Literally, you are a lucky son of a bitch because it don't really happen too often. Especially if there's some trees around you. So that's kind of maybe borderline ironic. But funny. Nonetheless funny. You die or not, it's pretty funny. I think, personally. Shoot the fucking messenger, but this is what I take in. But let me get some silence and lightning. I do think a lot of it is moving towards the east, as I was stating in another video. It was coming from the northwest. It definitely has died down a little bit. Let me come out here and get some, go underneath the tree and get some lightning. It's just kind of all over. The atmosphere is just like really cloudy, man, and it's just spreading all over. But it's migrating more towards east from the west, as I've previously stated. Ooh, that one is definitely from the east. It's really nice. I haven't been out one of these in years. But what I really like is the sound of water right here too. Pretty good, I think. Alright, y'all. Well, this is Killeen, Texas. Killeen, K-Town. No, we all don't speak this way around here. This is actually a lot of like, oh yeah, that was fucking awesome. Just my own little twang there from living in Texas really in general for a while. God, that was awesome. Fuck. Oh, the lightning's definitely migrated over. Oh man, that was so good. Yeah. More. I like it. I like it. So beautiful. The tree just makes it even better. The trees in our backyard, or not mine, just where I'm paying rent at the moment, paying homage. Momage. That's what I said before, and that's like a rent homage at the same time. from where it started earlier. It's definitely moved from, yeah, it's definitely going from west to east. But I'm going back in. So I hope whoever watches this enjoys the sounds of my voice and the lightning and the moments of silence between the thunder. Thank y'all.